So coming up along here just before Dad's old lobster pound, this is where it was all closed off here, like everything had washed down the hill. Oh, there's some pretty good washouts down here. This was always notorious along here for washing out. And years ago, up behind that house, that's where I grew up there. It was an old house, but there was a pond. There was a big, massive hill, and there was a pond there. So everything came down from over the hill at the top and came into that pond, into the next pond, and down to a brook in the woods. But that hill has been all excavated and gone. That pond is filled in. So that water that's up north of the 103 and all the way down through those drainage areas comes down, still tries to get down through here. But the end result is the bay here, and it tries to get down in through here. Jesus, I don't know if I'm going to get through here or not with this bike. There was a hole right there that I saw the last minute, and I had to hug that excavator. And I thought, please, man, please, don't swing that thing. Yeah, I've got it back together here. This was one area that washed down. The whole place washed, this whole area washed down. It was covered completely. So they're on top of it. But all that area up there tries to drain here and drain back that way, comes from the hill and back that way, down by the old lobster pound. Water's really brown, but I've been told it's extremely warm. But you see how brown the water is? That's all the fresh water from the drainage area running in. The beaches were closed last week, not for weather, but there was a sort of bacteria in the water. All the beaches on this side, Queensland, and further down my way, Bayswater, they were all closed, but they're open now. I used to hang out down here quite a bit. From 2010 probably to 2015, but then it just kind of had other things to do. But I would like to get back to just going to the beach. Oh, you can smell that suntan lotion. Yes, I would like to get back to staying home, going to the beach, riding in the evenings, a few days work a week, slide into an easy routine.